Hi, today I'm going to explain you my exercise lab exercise 5, that's ATM operations. So here I just need to handle the exceptions, that's non-integer and withdraw exception and the incorrect pin exception. So I have created a exception class in which gets like inherited by application exception. So here I have called a method is public non-integer and the base method. Same way here in this base we can use an arguments like a message. You can just type if this method gets invoked, and then this public class ATM operations. I have declared some variables where I have methods called withdraw, deposit, and balance inquiry. And this balance inquiry in this withdraw method, I am going to ask the user to enter the money, and then if this money is like less than the amount whatever we have, it will just subtract this one, and then if it's not, and it will throw an exception in the withdraw exception, it throws it, and this exception will be called in the main function. That is, I've created an object for that ATM operations as A, and then here what happened is here in this I'm just asking for the pin number. If that pin number is equal to the pin, then only it will enter into the withdraw amount. So here in this first operation is withdraw, where the exception is thrown in the method will be cached here. So a dot withdraw obviously it throws an exception which will be cached by withdraw exception w as an object w, and then it prints like less amount available. The same way we can make it for the deposit, and then for the balance check we don't have any exceptions to be included, and this is how you can create it. And here what we have is like the pin number what we have entered, that should be validated using convert to int 32, and it's just getting converted into int 32. Just run the code. So I'm going to run the code. I have given some pin number, then I will enter the amount. I'll just enter 1000. So here it's not available, so there's less amount available. Just check how much amount is available. Our amount is 1000. We can't just draw 1000. First we'll enter some amount. The available amount is 1000. Then I'm just going to withdraw 2000. It displays less amount available here. In this method the exception is handled. In the same way we can use this for enter pin numbers, and then that's how you create an exceptions, our own user exceptions, like how we have created a user exception classes, and we can create the methods in that which displays the error messages and exception handled messages. Thank you.